Good Tuesday morning, BAMWX.com. Meteorologist Michael Clark here with your Zone 9 forecast update. What we're taking a look at this morning, guys, is rainfall. Over the last 24 hours, we've seen excessive rains from Duluth to Minneapolis, down to Sioux Falls, Sioux City, and then out through Lincoln. Some places here getting 2, 3, 4, even 5 inches of rain there just south of Duluth and west of Minneapolis there. So very heavy rainfall went through the area last night. A little bit of flash flooding concerns out there, but this pattern is going to relax in a big way, and some cold air is going to be coming down. We may even see some snowflakes flying in the western Dakotas Sunday night as a big cold front comes through the region. You take a look here this morning at radar, and there are some showers that will continue across the eastern portions of North Dakota. You can see the spin in the atmosphere on eastern Montana and western portions of North Dakota there. The spin in the atmosphere is that that area of low pressure, that upper area low pressure system spinning and kind of generating those showers. And it will generate a few more showers here throughout the day across western North Dakota as well. And before this all kind of pulls on out of here, you're going to continue to see rain the next couple of hours in Minnesota. But this stuff will slowly start to migrate out of the forecast area. In fact, we'll take you on through this morning. You can see about 10 and 11 a.m. here, you can see some rain showers still in eastern Dakotas, northern Minnesota, still dealing with some rain through here as well. We'll take you out here through 2 p.m. Central Time today, still dealing with some showers in western North Dakota. That's that upper level low. That's going to sit and spin there, and it's going to be a little bit of a nuisance. Mostly cloudy day in Minnesota. Showers are going to continue to kind of hang around, especially the southeastern portion of the state. And then as we go throughout the period here, as we go late tonight and into early tomorrow morning, note that that area of precipitation kind of vanishes tonight in North Dakota. It'll start doing that right around 11 p.m. to midnight. Clouds will start to break up, and the rainfall will start to dry up as well, and temperatures will get somewhat colder. All right. As we go into your day on Wednesday, not much in the way expected in rainfall and precipitation except for the southeastern portion of the forecast area. Maybe a few light showers here, guys, but overall not much to be concerned with. This is pre-dawn Thursday. There's some clouds and some light rain. It may make it difficult for harvest weather in this region here throughout the day Thursday, as it's going to be cloudy and kind of damp as that storm system's moving through. But overall, there's not much in the way of concern here. Take a look at precipitation the next 60 hours, total rainfall, and you can see this is from the very beginning of the forecast. This is literally, this fell overnight, and this will get out of here. And then as you go throughout the course of the next 60 hours, you're not going to be looking at any additional measurable rain, we do not believe. As we venture on into the weekend, this is a look at the European computer model, and what happens is a cold front will start to approach. All right, it will bring the chance of a few showers into the area, not much, during the day on Friday across South Dakota and southern Minnesota, but it's not much. It's not, and it probably won't do much in the way of accumulation. It'll add some clouds and some drizzle into the area. And then Friday night into Saturday morning, we're looking at that area of low pressure pick up through Iowa and go through Wisconsin. On the backside of that, you will see there are going to be a few rain showers possible during the afternoon Saturday in eastern Minnesota, and some heavy rain going on out there across Wisconsin for sure. Then as we continue to go forward, the big cold front will come in. That comes in Friday or Saturday night into Sunday, and what's going to happen is it's going to drag some much colder air with this thing in with it. Sunday night into Monday, there will be some showers across the western Dakotas. More importantly, there could be a few snowflakes mixing in. All right, that's something to certainly kind of just keep in mind when we look at precipitation type. There is that potential that some snow could be mixed in, but it's not going to cause any type of problem. All right. Now, going forward here, beyond that, in terms of rainfall, not much. There is another little trough that'll come through middle of next week that could bring some maybe a few snow showers possible with this. I wouldn't be too concerned with it. Not a lot of moisture with it, but you can see there could be some mixing of some snow showers in the extreme northern forecast area. The bigger story is going to be the cold that this brings in. We look at this current setup, and you see how there's a ridge in place now. Well, the big cold front's going to come through this weekend, Here we go, Sunday morning. There's Sunday night. You see that front pass, and that is going to bring some cold with it. And then a secondary reinforcing cold front will come through Monday night into Tuesday, and that's where I think some of our coldest temperatures are going to be found with that. Take a look here as we hop out into the weekend. You can see low temperatures Saturday morning. They're in the 40s, but then as that front starts to get closer, watch this out here by Monday morning. Cold air starts to fill in 30s across the northern forecast area. And then by Tuesday morning, we're looking at a widespread, probably hard freeze for much of North Dakota and western portions of South Dakota. And then as we get into Wednesday of next week, we're really spilling that cold air in. That's a widespread 32 or colder forecast out by next Wednesday morning. Something to certainly keep in mind. The 10-day rainfall numbers, not much. I mean, most of this rainfall happening now as that front moves through. And then you can see overall fairly dry in the Dakotas. Weeks 1 and 2 forecast, you see the big cool down coming. All right, we're going to actually run below normal. Not only in week 1 for the western Dakotas, but also again in week 2. Most of the Dakotas will be running below normal, but it will also be drier. If you have any questions about the forecast and need help making any decisions, have anything going on with harvest, you can always reach out to us at any time. Remember, guys, that's WXOps, okay, at bamwx.com. That goes to our team of meteorologists. We're here to answer your questions at any time. Have a wonderful day.